truck!
Time Truck can't wait for taste sensation of cereal. All future Time Truck steal Time Truck cereal. Now Time Truck not experience taste sensation. Wait, Time Truck go forward in time and take cereal back from future Time Truck. Oh, what? Fine, Time Truck go back in time and take cereal from when Time Truck had cereal. Okay, time for drastic measures. Time Truck go back in time to when cereal was invented. Here we are at the dawn of cereal. Time Truck, you invent cereal? You caught Time Truck. Time Truck just wants cereal all the time, Truck.
There might be a solution for both of you.
Who you?
My name is 14, and I invented sharing. It's a long story, so anyway, with the power of sharing, you can both have it. Cereal, I mean.
The triangle is right. I'm sorry I stole cereal from you, Time Truck. That okay, Time Truck?
So remember, everyone.
Share.
Time Truck!